Okay, so who can help us with this? Who can tell us what to do? And it's a very simple thing. Just remember,
Yes,
what
sir, I
would you
know.
do? Yes, okay.
So 0.05 times 50, it is 0.025
Are you sure you want
over.
to multiply it straight away first? Or do you want to take care of that 0.05 the way you usually deal with decimals that are in a division?
Ma, to do it straight away.
Why not take care of the 0.05, turn it to a 5, and then you know how you do it now for decimal numbers? Then
Yes.
we can now, is it not, don't you think? Now, let me ask you a question. Off the top of your head, when I say off the top of your head, what it means is that without even writing, without thinking, just it's as if they just woke you up and said, what is your name? You know that you can answer that question from sleep, right?
Yes, sir.
uh So when you see a question like this, make it easy for yourself. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? It may be easy, but if you can make it easier for yourself, please do. How do I mean? That 0.05 now, you can make it to be 5. You know how we'll do it? By
Yes, sir.
moving the decimal point. Yes?
So we move the decimal point two times. We do it for up and down. Five,
Thank you.
we move it two times. The same
Yes.
for, we do it two times here. One.
Okay. Now take note. Did you notice that we're not going to do that for 50? We will not do that for 50 because
Yes,
50 is
sir.
down. Good. So please don't make a mistake and go
That's
and apply it to
made
50. It's
zero
only,
zero.
yes. Okay. So technically, what do we have?
We'll get to
2,500.
2,500
Okay.
over.
2,005 over what? 250, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what would that give us? What would that give us?
10. That is
Aha.
1.0. It's also known
Good.
as.
Good. Okay. So that's the idea. So please, um you write down the steps in your book?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do.
With the annotation, I cannot see this side. With this side, I cannot see the number he wrote. Okay, don't have my book. I have my book. I'm done, sir.
Okay, that's good. All right. What's making that noise?
That's siren.
Oh, okay. I see.
There's some of it. Is that the outfit? I'm sure. We can know.
Okay, can we go on to the next one now? Can we go on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. So the next one says add 4%, 4% of 50 to one
Is
third
eight.
of 24. Yes. So who can tell us what's 4% of 50?
Eight.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's confirm if you're right. So 4% of 50 is 4 over
100
100.
can go in 50, that is 100 in itself. 100 can go in 50. 100 can go in 50, that is the
You are saying
50
100 can go
can
in, and you are
50 can
boldly
go in
saying
100. 50 can go in 100.
uh-huh, uh-huh.
So,
So 2 in 4 is how many?
mm,
2. So can you say that your answer was not quite correct?
mhm.
It's actually 2, not 8. Hmm? So
Yeah.
please, even though you are trying, I know you are trying to do it mentally, but even when you are doing it mentally, try and do it the correct way. Okay. Don't forget, 4% means 4 over 100. So the 100 is not on top. The 100 is down. So I don't even know how you probably would have gotten 8. I mean, it doesn't look most likely to me. All right. Now, 1/3 of 24. Maybe that's the one you thought was 8. 1/3 of 24 is what?
8.
Thank you. So 1/3 of 24 is 8, because
8.
that's as good as 24 divided by 3. And that's how you get 8. So now they said you should add what? Add the
8.
answer from the first one to the answer from the second one. So 2 plus 8 is what?
2 plus 8 is 10.
Exactly. So please just write it in your book like this, then later say that 2 plus 8 equals 10.
I'm done.
You're done? That was fast. I hope you wrote it down correctly. Oh. You know how
Yes.
what I was talking about that time, um, about making sure that your handwriting doesn't confuse you. So when
Yes,
next you want to go through it, you can see it.
sir, please, can you do me a minute to drop my cup in the kitchen?
1 minute. 1 minute is 1 minute. Oh, please, quickly.
I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah. Mama, I use up to 1 minute. 10:31. That's the time.
Okay. All right. So are we ready for the next bit?
Yes.
All right. Let's take a look at that. That looks like quantitative. So who can tell me what the sample is saying? Anybody? Look at it carefully. Yes. Me, I can see something. Oh, I can see 7
Sir,
times 5, 35.
sir. How to tell you something? This has to be
Yes.
this
Okay.
7/2 here.
Yes.
I mean 7/5. You change
Uh,
it from this is this. So that will become 7 times, sorry. 7
uh-huh.
times 5 equals
Yes.
30.
Okay.
How
Faith,
to
is there
get
a problem? Faith, what's it? Why are you bending your head?
it's true, she took something from me.
Treasure.
Yes,
How
sir.
did Treasure take something from you?
And I just came just now. Treasure carried my message without asking me, and she took something from my message. So I know how to get this side.
Is that why you're allowing it to affect you? Please come out of it, I beg. Well,
So I
focus
know
on
how
your
to,
class. You will get that thing back later.
so I know how to get this side. This side here, 13. We'll do
Okay.
6
No.
plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. How to get
Oh.
13
Yeah, now
minus
apply it to the other one. Apply it to the other one.
35 plus this, it is 63. 63 plus 30, 93. Correct.
Okay. All right. So now my question is, how did you get the 30?
How to get the 30? So we'll do like this. We'll do 13 minus 3, that is 10. 10 minus 6, that is 4. No, see what I
Okay.
will
Okay. So look at what I'm saying.
do.
Look at what I'm saying. Can you see that even here itself, 35 minus 5 is 30.
But
35 minus 5 is 30. And then on this other side,
if we use this one, this 6
28.
minus
I'm
5.
looking at how
6
that's
minus
okay,
5 is not
yes.
4.
So
6 minus 5
35.
is not 4.
Okay.
So we're going to get
Yes.
the
Now
answer.
favor. There's something else I'm seeing. And I'm
Yes.
trying to look for how to get the numbers independently of each other first. So number one, just look at my own reasoning. Number one, I agree with you on the 7 times 5, 35. No problem. I agree with that because it was very easy to see. 7 times 5, 35. The next thing I noticed was that how can I get 30 from 35? I now see that, oh, there is a 5 here. If I subtract 5 from 35, I get 30. Okay, that's number one. Number two, how do I get 28? And I don't see anything like 7 times 4 here. So something tells me that let's try and reduce 5 by 1. 5 times 1, 5 minus 1 is what? 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 7 times 4 is what? 28. So that's how I get my 28. Then, like you said, we add everything. 35 plus 30 plus 28 will give you what? Will give you 93.
Give you 93. That's what I said. How to get
Okay.
it.
All right. That's good. All right. So that's perfect. And I think that's what works with the other one too. Because if I apply that 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 times 1 is 3. Yes, it works. 6 minus 2, 4. So this one is quite straightforward. Okay.
Yay!
All right. Faith, did you get it?
Yes.
All right. Let's go to the questions. Let's see if the questions are easy to figure out too. All right, so let's look at the questions. Sorry, let me clean the annotations so that it doesn't confuse us. Okay, so what's the first one? Yes, who can tell me what should be there?
You can give me that one too.
Yes, what should be there for that first one?
Yes. 2.
Good. Okay, all right. For the next one, it should be what?
10. English 10.
Are you sure? Look at it.
Sir. How to get this downside that you did, how to get 28? You do
Okay.
this minus 1, then times it.
10 times. Okay, yes, that's good. So 10 times 1 will be 10. That's for number 36. Okay, so now let's now go to number 34. Number 34. How do we get number 34?
Number 34 answer is 62.
That means you are adding 24 plus 20 plus 18. Is that what you did?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's actually 62.
62.
Yes. Okay, I think she got it. Okay. All right, so let's go on to the next one.
35 is 9. Yeah?
Now look at that number 35. yes, number 35 is what? 9, right?
9.
Because
Yes, sir.
12 minus 3 is 9. Good. Well done. Okay, number 37 seems to be the big one now. So which one of those would give us the correct answer? It has to be
5 over
something
5.
that
5 over 5. Hey! 5 over 5.
I think she's right too.
5 times 5 is 25. If you deduct 1 from that 5,
Yes.
it will be 4.
Yes, she's right. She's right. Okay, well done. That's a good one. All right. Good one. Well done. Okay. Now this next one looks like verbal reasoning, right? The word leadership is represented by number 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
And you guys, I'm sure you could know how to do this one. It's quite easy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is L. If I were you, in my question paper, I hope they allow you guys to write in your question paper. If it's me, I'll write down the letters directly under the numbers. Directly under, just the way I'm doing it here. Then that will now guide me in
Our answer is B. B, 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 B. B, 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 B. Number 1 answer is B.
Right. Nice one. Okay. Now, when you say number 1, you're talking about number 38. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you said it's B. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, I want to go with that. Okay. So how about number 39? What's number 39?
Number 39 is
39, no, not 29.
39 is D.
Is D.
Yes, sir.
Do we agree on that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What's the next? How about the next one?
Add 1, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, D is what? 1, 8, 7. 1, 8, 7 is 4.
1874.
A.
Okay. Okay. All right. So this question, I'm glad that it's quite straightforward. You know what I see these kind of questions as? I see them like, okay, you have worked really hard. This is your reward. Use this one and just, relax as you finish up the exam. What do you think? Did you think the same way too?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Be represented.
Okay. All right. So let's see. I think this next one is the one that led us to that other one that was asking questions. So let me see. Is there a way I can
So our answer is 41 is B. Yeah, B. 0.
41 is B.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Can you see my screen? Can you still see my screen?
Yes, sir. I can see a diagram.
Which one can you see? The bar chart, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have your book in front of you, right? Let's look at the question number 42. It says, which students, no, sorry, it's not which students. How many students obtained 9, 10, and 1 marks. 9, 10, and 1 marks. So,
I went that boots to go.
yes. 9, 10, and 1 marks.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what answer would you give to that question?
Sir?
What's the answer to that question?
Want me to read a book? Sir, can you please repeat yourself? Let me hear.
Are you looking at, can you see number 42 right now as we're speaking? Can you see number 42?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm saying is this. Use number 42 and answer and get the answer from that bar chart.
How many minutes of 10, 9, 10, and 1?
Yes.
Oh. Squished it with my teeth. 9.
Yes. So how many people obtained 9?
How many people obtain 9?
Yes.
People obtain 9. People obtain 9.
Yes.
4.
Yes. Good. 4. Okay. How many people obtained 10?
4.
How many people obtained 1?
4. 4 times 3 is 12.
Excellent. 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 That's good. Well done. Well done. So the answer is 12, please. Now, do you know the mistakes some people will go and make? They will go and think that because all of them are the same, they will now put 4 as the answer. And that would have been a very a big mistake on their part. So please, let's be careful about our, choices. Okay.
Number 43 says, what is the most common mark? What is the most common mark? 4. 4.
Okay.
I can say 4. 4.
Yes. Okay.
Common.
So it looks like 4. Most people got 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So thank God these questions are quite simple. That it's an advantage. Reading of graphs is a skill. No matter how easy it looks like what we're doing is, it's still a skill. And some people, you won't believe it, some people don't know how to do it. Okay. So and I always encourage you, whenever you come across a friend that doesn't know how to do it, what are you supposed to do?
You're supposed to teach the person so the person will know more. You share ideas.
Exactly.
Exchange knowledge.
Exchange knowledge. Sometimes you pass on knowledge. The person may not even have anything to give you at that time. But then, you have the knowledge, something extra that the person doesn't know.
Yes, now, that's how
one thing that some children do, not just children, some adults even do it, but I think I see it mostly in children. They first have a laugh, the fact that the person doesn't know how to do it. Okay, so I want to discourage you from doing that. Please, when you come across someone that does not know something, please, your first reaction should not be to laugh at the person. Okay, no matter how the situation looks, please, because there's nothing that discourages somebody like what do you call it, looking down on the person. Okay, so please, if you see anybody doing that, tell the person that it's not right. Don't just look and keep quiet. Tell the person it's not right to laugh at other people. Okay.
Sir, don't worry, our class is don't worry. Class is not the course. It's not the same thing. Sir, if you like, tell the client that they should stop laughing at them. They will shout at you. They will
shout at you. Yes, anyway, there are some situations that you may not be able to do much, but whenever you can, just do your best. So I understand it's possible what you said. Okay. All right. So let's see. I think we should, let me reshare my screen so that we're looking at. So number 44 says, what is the least common mark? That's the last
The
one for
least
that.
common mark, that is 6, 7, 8.
No, is it 6, 7? Okay, okay, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, yes, I agree with you. Yes, because both those ones are the same. Those ones are the same. Least common mark. Yes, those ones are the same. And what is the mark? 2, right?
Yes, sir.
We got it. That's good. I like that. Okay, let me reshare my screen so that we are seeing the next bit, because I think we're done with that.
No.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Come on, sir. See. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me close.
Go down.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So we're going to number what now?
Number 45.
Why am I hearing whisperings in the background?
Madam. It's treasure.
Why is treasure whispering? Why? You don't know? All right, let's continue. Number 45. Who can find LCM of 8 and 12 for us?
8 and 2. Wait, no. Sorry.
8 and 12. 8 and 12, yes? Okay. Confirmed LCM. 8 and 12.
24. 24.
Okay, that's good. All right. So we have that tucked in our schedule. All right, let's move on. Number 46. Find the area of a square with length 5 cm. And you know what I'm going to ask? The next question I'm going to ask.
Number 46 is find the area of a square with
yeah.
It's a square. The answer is very simple.
What is the formula? It's not to be telling me that it's very simple. What is the formula?
Length square.
Good. Length squared. Okay. So now that you know the formula, L squared. Okay. That's also correct. Yes. So that's it. So now that you have given me the formula, can you apply it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we will do length is to get a square is all sides are equal. So they give us the length is 5. So we're going to do 5 times 5 is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 25. 5 times 5.
It's just 5 times 5 now. Which one is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5? 5 times 5 is 25. It's just 25 now. Why is when you are adding that you do 5 plus 5. Even when you're adding self, there's a simpler formula for you. Just do 4 times L, finish. No need to be doing 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is for the perimeter. Okay. So we're talking about area now. So please, it's just simply 5 times 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. That's good. Okay. So can we move on to the next question?
No.
They said no.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Number Oh, are you done?
Okay.
So number 47.
Yes. What's the next one?
47.
What is the area of a circle? Yes, with radius 3.5 centimeters. Who can tell me? Yes.
Sir, so we do 22 over 7 times 7.
Yes.
That's 11 centimeters.
How do you go to answer without even telling me formula? I've warned you about this thing before.
Area of so we are going to be. We are going to wait, please. Thank you. So we're going to do 2 pi r squared for the area of a circle.
See, 2 pi r squared indeed. Please,
That
area of a
22.
circle is just pi r squared, not 2 pi r squared. 2 pi r is the circumference. You don't join 2 pi r and squared at the same time in one formula. One is 2 pi r. The other one is pi r squared. Do you get it? The two cannot appear 2 times in the formula. For circles, so take note of what I said. For circles, the two cannot appear what? Twice. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Please, if you do not notice it now, so that this kind of mistake will not happen in exam. I'm begging you. To be so painful that area of square was what made you to fail a question. Very, very painful, because the formula is very simple. So please, it is pi r squared. Okay. So yes, what were you saying? 22 over 7, right?
Yes, sir, times 7 over 2. 2
Yeah. Is it just 7 over 2 or 7 over 2 squared?
7 over 2 pi r over.
You see?
I said the answer is 11 centimeters.
It's 7 over 2 times 7 over 2. That's squared. Is that not what 7 over 2 squared means?
Yes, sir.
Please, don't make that mistake. Squared, don't forget it. All right. So, let's cancel what needs to be cancelled. The 7 can take out one of
in 2 in
right?
22. 2 in 7
Yes.
is 7 1. 2
Yes.
in 22.
Yes. 11, right?
Sir.
So you are left with 11 times 7 over what?
Over 2.
Yes. So that's 77 over 2. And 77 over 2 is what?
77 over 2 is also known as
Calculate it now. What will it be?
38 whole number 1 over 2.
Thank you. 38 whole number 1 over 2. Please, let's be guided. Let's not make a mistake in the exam and go and do something else. All right. Okay, so go ahead and write it in your book. Go ahead and write it in your book. What's the problem? Write it in your book. Write it in your book. Go ahead. Write it in your book.
Put your hand like this. And you squeeze it very alright. Slow.
Okay. Shall we proceed?
Should we proceed? Yes, sir.
Should we? Okay.
Are you done?
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Let's move on. Okay, so, wow, I'm seeing a question here that I don't think we have really spent much time on it. Okay, so let me see who amongst us is really good with this. All right, now this next question is from a part of a topic in mathematics called standard form. Do we know it? Favor seems to know it. Okay, so, and you know that surprisingly, it's very simple.
Yes,
Oh yeah, Favor, since you want to bail us out, please don't take us inside the bush. Oh. Do not drive us inside the bush.
So
All right,
since
here
it
goes.
is, yeah, since it says any number that's this, then you should be like should take, yes. So we should times it for over since it's by 4. So this one is here 1, 2,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
3, 4.
Uh-huh.
So that will
Okay.
be 0, 0. That's 0.
Oh, okay. So I should put 0 and put another
0.
0 here.
Yes. Then that's what I got.
Okay.
That's
So
what I
that
got.
is
So the decimal
69.
point will not be there. The decimal point will not be there.
Yes, I understand. I know. I know it will not be there. So that's 69,500, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I agree with you. All right, let me ask you my own question. Are you ready for my own question?
Yes, sir.
My own question is this. What if that 10 raised to power 4 were 10 raised to power minus 4 or negative 4? What will we do?
So we're going to move it to the left.
Good, 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 good. Okay, so if you move it to the left, what will it be?
It will be 0.06 0.00695.
0.006. Are you sure about that?
0.0. Yeah.
You move something 4 places to the left. Look at where the decimal point was. Decimal point was between 6 and 9. So if the decimal point moves over 6, is it not one time?
Yes, sir.
So when you now want to move 4 times, will it not move over 3 zeros in order to make it complete to be 4?
Yes. That's what we picked. Yes, sir. That's what we picked.
But no, you said 0.00. Count it. 0.00.
0.00. Hey, it's 3 zeros you said.
It's 3, I said. You people are saying 2. Anyway, but we know the correct answer, right? For this particular one is what? 69,500. Okay.
So can I write it in my book?
Yes, please, write. Go ahead. If you want to write the one for the negative 4, please write it as if it were a separate question. Draw a line so that you don't confuse it with this one.
Zero. Emily, how did you come bring my massive and fetch water for me since you roasted.
Okay, we done?
Favor is almost done.
Okay.
So I'm done. Let me. I'm not yet done, so I'm sorry.
Okay.
Paper is done. Faith is almost done.
Okay.
Yeah, Faith Jota for me. Can you also bring down my counting Jota? Faith Jota for me first. Everybody for you. Can you give me Faith Jota? Can you bring my counting Jota that you took? I don't have. Now my counting Jota you took from me. You took it from me and you don't want to return it. I'll use my book cover back and shiny. I'll take my own book. Oh, don't worry, I'll wait for you. Oh, really? You do like my lesson? No, can you give her this? I don't have that your country daughter. She gave you your master. Really is not my friend. Your daughter is side. Really is not my friend. She took it. Well, we are not give her. Where did you then keep it? I kept it. I went to keep it like this. Maybe is lying. She does not want to give, that's why.
Okay, let's move on. Okay. All right, so who can do number what's that number now? Number 50 for us. Oh, sorry, no. 49. Sorry, not number
2
50.
over 3 of a number x is the same as 40% of 60.
Yes. Who can figure that out? What is the first thing we should do? Treasure, if I catch you there, you better disappear.
Treasure is not disappearing from there.
Just leave her alone. Let's continue. So what's the first thing we will do?
First, in 39, we're going to do 3 on 2 over number, right? Then we will take 40 over 100 times 60 over 1.
Okay. So, if you are writing it down, this is how you write it down, right? 2 over 3 of a number.
Times 40 over 100.
Now, since we don't know the number, let's use a letter and represent it, right?
Yeah, yes.
So I'm using N. Okay. Now, when in mathematics, when they say is the same as, what do you think they're saying?
Is the same, maybe the. I'm thinking.
What mathematical sign should we use? What mathematical sign should we use?
Equals to.
Thank you. Equals to what?
24.
And now, how did you get 24?
I use 40 over 100 times 60 over 1.
Okay. 40 over 100 times 60 over 1. Okay. So now you remember, I know that we're trying to be doing things fast, but I also told you that after writing some of these schools exam, I can tell you, because I've taught. You don't want to know how many people have prepared for common entrance. There are a lot. Now, if you after you finish writing common entrance for some schools, and they call it entrance exams, sometimes it's not even common entrance, you will see that that's just the beginning. Just imagine a school like Chrisland. I'm sure you know about Chrisland Secondary School. That I'm just using Chrisland as an example. There are some other popular schools around. But I want you to just imagine the number of people that want to get their children into Chrisland. I just want my child to be in Chrisland. Let my child be in that school. The people that come to write that exam, there are many. If you have that opportunity to write, you will see so many of your friends, and you will see so many people that you don't know. Now, guess what? By the time they finish taking that exam, they will be thinking, oh, we have skilled hurdle 1. Krishna do not tell you welcome, but that's not all. By the time you now write the real exam, which is the one they will use to say, okay, you are in, guess what? That might not even be the final one. They will now say, come for an interview. A lot of people mess up at the second stage and at the third stage. And now that second stage and the third stage, they may not, I bet you the questions are not going to be objective questions. Pick A, pick B. No, they will give you questions that they want to see what you can really do. And that means they want to see your working. So I always still say, write. That's why I tell you, write down, just write. And when I tell you write, don't just look for a short way, write quickly and then disappear. No, write as if you are writing for somebody to mark it. Okay, so that's the only advice I'll give you right now, so that you'll be prepared for any situation like that. So yes, I think we are in business here, and I have 24 here, as Favor said, or was it Faith that said it?
Favor.
Okay.
Stop sharing.
So I've stopped sharing. Did you say I've stopped sharing?
Yes, sir. I cannot see your screen.
Hey, are you for real? Since how long has that been?
Since you are advising us.
For real?
Yes, sir.
I mean, it's showing here as if I'm sharing. No, wait, that is.
Since you started to advise on your screen, your screen went off.
Are you serious? Sorry about that. I didn't know. Okay, let me share it again. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Please take a look. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So I don't know what I wrote last that you saw, but I think this is what I was writing. I first interpreted the question, and then that was when I now started giving you the advice. 2/3 of, and I said my own number is n. I don't know what letter you want to use, but I'll advise.
Yes, you now did over 2 times n equals to, I said equals to, so you wrote 40/100 times 60/1, and my answer
was okay. So that was how you got 24, right?
Yeah.
On the right hand side. Okay. So now that we have figured out is 24, what do we do next? What do we do next?
So we will do, after we go, we will do
yes.
2/3 as if n
now yes I like that. Oh, yeah.
24 is 2/3 times 24/1.
No. No, now. This was what we talked about in the last class. So
Okay. Times, sorry, times over 1 times 24/1.
Times 24/1.
Times 24, not 24/1. Equals 24. Equals 24.
Is it not equals to 24? Why are you timesing by 24 again now? All right. So now we want to find n. What should we do?
Collect like times, we move n.
I think, see, if you remember what I said in the last class, I pointed out something to you. I told you, in a situation where you have something like this, 2x.
Okay.
2x equals 4. What do you do in this case?
You divide both sides by 2.
So in this case now, you now have 2/3 times n equals 24. What do you do to both sides?
Divide both sides by 2/3.
Simple. So the next line is that you will have that n will be equal to what?
N equals 2 over 3 times.
What should I write first?
24 over
24.
over 1 times 2 times 2 over 3 equals 2 over 3. He told us now. Divided by 2 over 3. That's to
I
change
thought you
to
just
3.
told me now. See,
2 over 3.
can you see why I always ask you what should we do next? As you are saying it to me, you're also saying it to yourself. As you are speaking out, that's why I say don't say the wrong thing. Do you know that sometimes, even when you say the wrong thing, your ears will hear it, and your ears will think that it is the right thing. So that's why I always tell you, say the correct thing. Don't just, as when you say 4 minus 4 minus 6, and I'm like, wait, is it in this case? And I'm not saying that 4 minus 6 is not possible, no. But I'm saying that when it's supposed to be 6 minus 4, please say it as it should be. You just told me now, divide both sides by 2 over 3, isn't it? When you want to divide 24 by 2 over 3, is it not 24 that you will write first?
Yes, sir.
So why did you now tell me to write 2 over 3 first? It's 24 I'll write first. And if you say 24 over 1, it's still okay, because I mean it's actually
The
over
same
1.
as 24.
Yes. So what should I now do next?
Should 20 equals to 24? They say this division, if it turns to multiplication, the denominator will go up and the numerator will go down.
Yes. So that would now be times what? 3 over 2.
2 can
What did
go
that give
in
us?
2 here 1. 2 can go in 24. That answer is 36.
Good, 36. All right, you can write it in your book.
Come on, give it to me. Times 3 over 2.
Okay. 24 over 1 times 3 over 2 will give us 36.
Nobody wants to see because you hit my.
Okay, are we good?
No, it's just okay. Okay, I'm going to do. Okay, come and give me. Okay, come and do.
Shall we proceed now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Let's do this last one, and then I'll see if we can quickly do something. Now see my plan, no, and just listen to my plan. Okay, I've discussed this with your mom. That we can, and I think I mentioned it on Tuesday, right? That if it's possible that we have lights on our side, that we'll do one class in the morning, one class in the evening. Do you like that idea?
We should
Would you like that, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So what we'll do now is that after this one now, okay, don't tell your mom to snap another picture yet. Maybe later on in the evening, but I'll tell you the time. Maybe let's see. We can do 3 o'clock. So by 3, you would have had your lunch, right?
Might a bit. I'm not really sure. I'm not even
You're not
sure.
really sure.
I
Okay.
think we're cooking again the last time.
Okay. Anyway, just try and see. Try and let's see if we can just do that 3 o'clock, and we can do one class later today, so that at least we can make use of today. The holiday is one period that most people they feel like, oh yeah, it's good for us to rest, and I don't have anything against resting. But if you don't use it well, as you're resting and you don't do what you're supposed to do, what happens? You will now forget the things you should remember. So we don't want that to happen. So we'll make the best use of our holiday. By the time you come back from your holiday, your friends will be wondering, what happened? You'll be like, well, we used our holiday well, we had fun, and at the same time, we studied. So we made the best use of our holiday. Okay. Favor, Faith, is there a problem?
Sir.
Yes. Yes.
I'm sure that can we do in the evening, can we do 2 hours 30 minutes?
2 hours 30 minutes.
Yes, sir.
If we want to do 2 hours 30 minutes, that means we have to start at 2:30.
2:30. Okay, sir. And we end by 4.
Okay,
No,
yeah. I think okay, wait, hold on.
I want to
If
do
we
3
want to
hours.
do
I want to do
if we want to do 2 hours 30 minutes, yes, we can do 2 hours 30 minutes. We'll start by 3, we'll end at 5:30. Is that what you mean?
No, I meant that we should use 3 hours.
3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. Wow. Okay, 3 hours would be from 2:30.
Yes,
that would be
sir.
from 2:30 to 5:30. Okay. I think I can work that. You sure you'll be able to handle it? We'll have
Yes,
a
sir.
break.
We
We'll
used to
have a
handle how many hours
break.
of classes before? We
Okay.
handle 5 hours of classes. Not even 5 hours, 15 hours. What I give you 15? It's
Okay.
5 hours. We used to do
All right. That's fine. That's okay with me. We can do 3 hours. Yes, that's fine with me. So we'll do 2:30 to 5:30. Then we'll have a break. We'll have a break somewhere in between. Okay. All right. So let's do this last one. Then I'll see if we can even do that. We'll use that one of those ones that we have there. So 2 hours 30 minutes. Sorry, 3 hours rather. All right, let's do number 50. If 8 men do a piece of work, now I'm sure your mind is already going proportion. Okay. If
Yes,
8
sir.
men do a piece of work in 72 days, how many days will 18 men do it? So question, what kind of proportion is this?
Is inverse.
Inverse, thank you. So if it's inverse, that means if we start by writing 8 men, 8 on this side, right? And then we write, what should we write on the other side? 72 days, right?
Yes, sir.
So 72, we just write 72. Let's leave the days for now. All right, then 18 men. 18 men, they say, how long will it take 18 men? Or how many days will 18 men do it? So 18 men, what letter should we use for 18 men?
X.
X. Okay, our popular X. Okay. All right. So because it's inverse, what should we do first? First thing we must do.
What's your answer?
Yes. Because
Cross,
it's inverse proportion, what should we do first?
cross the.
Thank you very much. Cross it. Yes. Well done. I like that. I'm impressed that you remember it. Okay, what do we do next?
We do 8 over 18.
Yes.
Equals x over 72.
Correct.
We will cross
Yes.
multiply.
Then we will now cross multiply. Thank you very much. And you see that there is no force on earth that can make you feel it once you do it like this. Okay, so when we cross multiply, what do we have on the next line? We'll have
18x equals
18x.
72.
Yes.
18x equals 72
times 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, equals 72 times 8. Then what do we do to both sides?
We divide both sides by 18.
Yes, and that will give us what?
Divide both sides by 18. 18 is 72. 4 times 8, 32.
So let me ask a question. You seem to be very, very sure that 18 in 72 is 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. It's fine. I'm not against it though. But in case you are not sure about that, maybe because you've been seeing it often,
See,
then
18
nothing is wrong with using 9, isn't it? Nothing is wrong with using 9 and breaking it down. Okay. I didn't say that it's wrong. I'm not saying that it's wrong. But, somebody who has not done 18 times 4, may not remember. But it's fine. Okay, so 18 in 72 is 4. And 4 times 8 is what?
32 days. I got it. I got it.
Yes. And I think it agrees, right?
Yeah.
If, what do you call it? 8 men do a job in 72 days, then 18 men should do it in lesser number of days, right?
Yes, sir.
And you can see our reasoning works. Okay. So you can go ahead and write it down. Well done.
I don't know. Yes. Jesus.
What happened?
Okay.
Is there a problem there?
Yes, sir.
What's the problem?
I'm looking for my pen.
For your what?
Pen.
Check for it now. Maybe it fell.
See the thing here. Where? What is? I know I did. I know I control it on the chair. Oh. I know I did for you.
Have you seen it now?
Yes. I just found it for people. People is doing as if I hid it for. I know I didn't. I know. Me, this is what I had from you. They've already offended me. No way. Glory be to God in the highest. Amen. Sir, good news.
What's the good news? Let's hear it.
The good news is that yesterday,
yes,
the topic you taught us, we studied them. That the essence is that we cannot forget them. Yes.
Excellent. I like that. I'm impressed. And that's really good. How long did you spend studying them?
2 hours, 30 minutes. Which two?
Really?
Almost 2 hours. Which almost 2 hours?
Almost 2 hours. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's good. That's fine. That's lovely. you looked at those questions from our previous classes, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I read up my book. I was asking about what she did not understand. She was telling me that she did not understand this. Let me try to show.
Okay.
Yeah. This what Favor said she did not understand. So this.
Okay, that one that has to do with hypotenuse and
Yes, sir.
right angle triangle.
Yes, sir. And even Faith was the one that made mistake. I corrected her.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, great. Yeah.
That's good. Well done. That's good. That's good. So you can see that you are better when you help each other.
I can get the correct angle. See. The correct angle. Don't you want to show you? Correct angle. Correct. Wait, let me see. We use the correct angle. That's not for it. Yeah. Just look like coconut. So bye, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Okay, so let's not leave yet. So let me see. I don't know if the person who was supposed to send the question to your mom has sent it. But if not, I think we should just use this opportunity and do it for both of you. So I was asking a question, but I'm not sure I got the answer. So now do they expect Faith to submit a separate one and you Favor to submit a separate one?
A separate one.
Okay, that's good.
But we can just copy it and write our name. Yes, you can copy it. You can copy it and change the name. That's all.
Okay. All right. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so let's go to that website.
Let me ask Mom to give us the questions.
Oh, don't worry. Okay, ask her if the person has sent it, but if she hasn't sent it, we'll just I think I can find one from here and use.
Sir, she said that the man. He said that the man did not answer us.
Not yet. Okay, no problem. All right. So this is the one they gave you.
We're going to do the same thing as treasure.
No, it's not the same thing. Oh.
Yeah, let's go and check our grade 5 own.
It's not the same thing. You people are doing something higher than her. Don't worry. I'll show you what the one you guys are doing. Then you will tell me. If this is it. Okay, just hold on. Now, let me see. So whose own should I title this one?
Favor.
For Favor. Okay. Favor, what's the name of your class?
Grade 5 Diamond. Grade 5 Diamond.
Grade 5
Diamond.
Diamonds. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to execute it now so that you see what it is. But the basic thing is similar to Treasure Zone. But I think the difference now is that it's the background, there's a sun, and then there's a car. Okay. So I'm sure you can see. Now, this thing that they did here is something called function-oriented coding or function. Yes, you want to see what it will produce, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to execute it now. I'll click on that play stroke stop. Can you see it?
Yes, sir. So how did you do it? Okay, it's from somebody else.
Yes. So can you see? This is the one you guys were given. So you can see.
How did you know? No, he entered somebody's zone.
Yes, I use someone else's zone. Okay, so this is for Favor. So let's do Faith's own now. Now, let me stop it. I think I've saved it, and the thing automatically saves. So let me now go back to So your own is there. Favor, can you see your own there?
Yeah.
So for Faith, let's click on code now. You people have seen him doing this in class, right?
No, you're not even sure of this one.
No, I mean, as in, have you people seen him using this code Goopy in class?
No. Yes. Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, that's fine. I just wanted to be sure. Okay, so I still have that code that I've copied. I'll paste it. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So I'm sure if people look at this code very well, do you know you can understand it if you look at it very well? For instance, now, maybe if we start from the top here, whenever you see no stroke simply means don't draw anything. Don't draw anything. We don't want anything yet. Then, after you've done no stroke, then the fill is create a color. Okay. So now this color fill 204, 120, and then 24. Most likely will be around the color of the sky. Okay. So we don't know what color it is, but I'm sure when you execute it, you will know the color. Then what did it say next? A rectangle this size. Okay. All right. So that means in the end, we are creating two rectangles. So we created the first rectangle and a second rectangle, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's be looking at it side by side. All right. Let's look at it side by side.
Yeah.
Let's look at it side by side. Now, can you see that we created two rectangles? The first one is the orange part. Let me be annotating as I'm talking. The first part is this part, this orange part. Can you see this rectangle from here to here is different from the second rectangle from here to here? I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
So those are the first two things we did. So that first rectangle, even though they didn't say it there, but that is actually orange. So the second rectangle, if you notice, the second rectangle looks smaller. Now, if you look at the second rectangle, it says 0, 500, 800, 600. Look at it very well. It looks smaller than the first one that was created. So anyways, the important thing is that two rectangles are there. Now, look at the sun. The sun is made up of a circle. You can see the circle, part of a circle actually. But anyway, it's a circle, but they just hit part of it. Then it's made up of the rays, this stroke, and this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you see that there are three strokes? Look at it. Line, line, and line. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
That's exactly what created the sun. Of course, you can see the circle here. So, and you can see that it is filled with yellow. Anytime you see fill, just know that you are preparing a color to use a color, yes. And each of the strokes too are the same yellow color. And of course, finally, the car is made of two rectangles too, 1 and 2. If you look at it very well, this is the first rectangle, this is the second rectangle. Then we now drew two circles to represent the tires, 1 and 2. You got it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So let's quickly save this with Faith's name. Let's first.
Let's first erase our annotation.
Yes, don't worry. The annotation will not show in your work. It's only for
So save the name.
I know. So that's what I want to do now. So it was Favor's own that we did that time, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Still same grade 5 diamond, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, yes, it's there now. Okay. So, your work is done.
Oh,
I don't know.
you,
He said it's supposed to be submitted today, have you?
Yes, sir. No,
So,
it's today. Okay, today is Thursday. Today is
it's
Thursday.
there. It's there. So you can see your name there, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's your name just beside Favor's phone. Okay. All right. So I think we can stop here and we will continue at 2:30. So if you are going, know whatever it means, you know what it means. Whatever you do, please try and cooperate with your mom. I'm going to tell her what you said, 2:30. Okay. So that you can start by 2:30. If she tells you you have to get to eat your lunch during the break or before the class, please try and cooperate with her, okay? And I notice you people don't usually use those your glasses again. What happened?
The glasses, I used to use my own, but I used to use it about.
But what happened? You forgot.
Yes, sir. We're rushing. Those days that we used to wear the glass, we're not rushing. We're not rushing. We woke up early, but today my mom woke up late. We woke up very early. We woke up by 6 o'clock.
If your mom woke up late and you woke up early, don't you know where the glasses are?
But yes, sir. But we used to want to make our breakfast, so we used to make our breakfast ourselves. But our mom used to say, we should stop. The last time we made our breakfast is when she was in the hospital.
Okay. All right. So, just do your best, Sha, so that because a 3-hour class may mean you looking at the computer for a long time. So you want to protect your eyes from what they call screen glare. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so see you later at 2:30.
Bye, sir.
All right, bye. Bless you.
Amen.